Kajiyamir jingmot hapadang kinoilam ka all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association AKMTTA berbas nyaw balang dhar usembut menteri rangba ka jalau bodai pe Tnad transport ha ka jingedon lang ki officer ka Tnad lem ki weipat ki Tnad trekam jaga sarkar kala poi syakarai ba ka Tnad transport hi kandang beteng Bishar Bniah ya ki Jingdawa jaga kunhun gi banyak kali kamai tourist. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor hakan nok pai sngi juga arpulai terek unai lor arhaja arpusan hadian ke jingalang ubak snyau bahalang uloong bakat Tnad kan lum jing tip ya girukom pentrai kam haki wai pat ki jela bat kumta hadian ke jing lum jing tip kin sesong biang banyakran ke Jingdawa nak association balakar santing e da ki senjuk nongnya taksi kamai ki senjuk nongnya bat trai trok lem ki wai pat kan long ban pentrai kam ya ki kendon ban pakhang ya ke jingrung latlan ki kali kamai tourist na Assam bat ki wai pat ki jela syaki jaga jengok kai perthai ke jela. Ka association ban yo e kete ke Jingdawa kala penlong da ke jingakhi naru ka step jong ka khan reu tere nailor araja arpusan da ka babatha ya ki kali na Assam banom rung sejaka jengok kai perthai hendrei benlit bu iki nongwan jengok kai hagi jaka sa bat nang tepan ansalit shaw ya ki da ki kali trai muluk hakatega sngi la samru ya ki kot link kedop ki bala batai banya ya ki mat Jingdawa ka association hendrei hakastep jong ka khat pra tere nailor araja arpusan ki nongnya kali na Assam ki la pakhang ya ki kali na Meghalaya hajorabat kani ke jingsha pakhang kala penlong ya ki bor penyat district ke East Khasi Hills district ban khot ya kran bat ka association hakabala bu banya kran pat bat ka sarkar jela menta ka sngi.
Today we had a meeting with the AKMTTA association, so it was long discussions and finally we have come to conclusion that we need some time to come with a concrete decision. So both of us we are together in the same page. So yes, it is an important issue, so we need some time to check it properly. So all the pros and cons in order to avoid any legal problems. That is the decision we took today. No, the question how long we will try as early as possible. Simple as that, always. No, the suggestion from the association, it was a good suggestion. They told us, please try to look from the other state policy. It seems some policy which is fit for us. So we are assured to them also. We will discuss few of the neighboring states and we will compare the policy. We will come to the right decision altogether. No, not visit things. I have instructed my officer of Commerce and Transport to coordinate with different states who are almost in line with us and Chief Secretary at the same time.
Which are the states?
Like, for example, like Sikkim, like Karnataka, like Maharashtra. Few states.
So there won't be any agitation protest, they are sure?
No, actually it should not be there because discussion is on. So we are together everything. We come it was a very, very fruitful meeting also, a very positive meeting. The question or decision, it should not be there. So hopefully it will be a positive response in the days to come. That is we believe.
So there is a status quo now?
As of now, it remains status quo as it is only. Solution is yet to be. Not since when, we will try it at the earliest possible, maybe take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, it's based on discussion. Because I always want to put them on board, all of them. So maybe only my decision is not feasible to them, so we'll connect together with the association and with the government. Hopefully we will be coming with the... Yeah, we have to suggest, you see, I need their suggestion. Sometimes their suggestion and our suggestion, when we combine with it, we will click. That is always.
How will you ensure that there are no problems created?
No, there is no problem created.
In the state?
No, there is no problem. We are trying to solve the problem.
So you will also have to appeal to the organization in Assam that there should not be any problem?
Yeah, that of course we are keeping appealing from both sides. In the meantime, while discussion is done, don't disturb all the moments. So it went in the right direction. All of us wanted to solve the problem, but it will take some time. It was a good meeting. It went in the positive direction, I should say. Not how many months, how many years. I'll try my best as early as possible. We have to suggest both. Sometimes you have to listen to their opinion, sometimes you have to listen to the opinion of the government. That is how we work. We are here for the people of the state. Please remember. We are here for the people of the state. So obviously sharing ideas is very, very important to both sides.
So what are you with the Assam government also?
That is already there only.
Sir, what are the demanded from the
No exact demand, you know very well only. They try to please make sure, if possible, my government will come a policy that few pocket of the tourism spot will be benefit for the local people. So that is we are still in the discussion. You see, policy is already implemented.
Yeah,
we are yet to modify the policy, maybe in that manner.
can tell some policy that
No, we are yet to have a look. We have yet to have a review on the policy, on the whole policy. That is the request from them also.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.